Good day, guys. How na dey? Hope we are all good. So this is today's tutorial. So guys, just focus your eyes and be watching. Beautiful and cute style. Yeah. If you are returning viewer, thank you so much. If today is the first time you are seeing my video, please subscribe and also follow me on my Facebook page. So guys, you can see how it's going. So I'm using rubber band to band that place down. Okay guys, let's continue watching. You can see how it's going. It's so beautiful. The hairstyle is not, the hair drop is not hard at all. Easy to get, easy to understand. Just try and do it yourself. Yes. Alright guys, please and please don't forget to follow my page and also subscribe to my channel. Please, 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 I'm begging. And always share, comment and like. Alright. So see you in my next video. Bye.